Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the length of your period in Flow. So guys, if you do not know how to change the length of your period because your period lasts for more than 7 days, then this video is for you. First of all, you just need to go ahead and open Flow, and then you'll see this page right here, but our solution is not here, so we should just go ahead and look for the top left button that has an avatar on it, and now you scroll down till you find cycle and ovulation. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you'll see the options like cycle length, period length, chances of getting pregnant, luteal phase, display cycle sequence. So our solution is right there on the second option. So just tap on select right here, and now you can choose. If it lasts for 10 days, scroll down to 10, or if it lasts for 1, then scroll up to 1. It's your choice, so you can choose anything that you want. So guys, that's how you change the length of your period. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.